as easy amount of profit, a profit at a low price. That's the reason why I'm here. Okay, so let me go to the challenges. I'm going to show you how to get a profit account there over here. So let me start from this side. Okay, so when it comes to this is Marvin website. When it comes to let me see, let me go to Polar Prime. This okay. So when it comes to Marvin, this is Marvin website. Okay, your pro firm, forex pro firm journey begins with Marvin. You come over here, you can see get started. Click on get started, take us over here. Then you're gonna see Mark Forex over here. You see predictions. We also have standard instant buy now, pay later, and then we have the OMO. We have the 2K, 5K, 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K accounts over here. Then you can proceed with the details over here. You can see for yourself. Okay, for yourself, you can see it over here. And then I'm sharing my screen, so I'm just contemplating with this over here. The two of them, I'm using both of them. So the side is over here. So want a chance to win a 200k. I'm not sure about. Let me just go with this one. Okay, enter this one. Just finish. Okay, I'd like to enter this one. Let's go. Okay, so let me sign up. This is my account. With that account, make sure you sign up. Okay, sign up with your email. Just come here over here and then sign up. The link, I'll leave the link in the description below for you to sign up with the broker for yourself, and then you are good to go. Okay, so just connect it to your email account or whatever account, email account or email, whether email or Gmail account that you have, you just connected to. Make sure you connect it over there. Okay, so down over here. So not just Marvin. For instance, if you come to Hola Prime, the link to Hola Prime, I will leave the link in the description below. Please and please again, just check the link over there and then use it. So okay, so when it comes to Hola Prime, we have trade with our money and we have trade with your money. So they serve as a pro firm and at the same time they also serve as a broker. I hope you understand what I'm trying to do. So when it comes to broker is whereby you making deposit onto the platform to trade with your own money. When it comes to pro firm you buy an account with them and then they will give you an account to trade your money. Now this is what Polar Prime is offering. They're offering they are serving as two purposes. They're giving you, first of all, they are serving as a pro firm, and then second of all, they are serving as a broker. That is Polar Prime for you. Now, I'm going to leave the link of Polar Prime in the description below. So, if you want to have access to this website, just check the description below, and then you are good to go. Okay. So, see you guys. Let's proceed with the video. Okay, that's it. We are in. Okay, this is a Hola Prime. Okay, this is my dashboard over here. You can see my dashboard over here. You can see I haven't made a payout yet. I haven't started with anything. So I'll leave the link in the description below for you to have access to this website. Now let's go to how you can have access to their site or in their challenges. Okay, so you have Forex. When it comes to Forex, you have Forex and you have features over here. When it comes to Forex, you have the Prime, you have the Pro and the Direct. Okay, so the Pro is over here. You can see you have the Direct over here. And you can that means I'm offering trade, and I have minimum trading for 2 days and 3 days. 2 days, 3 days over here, and profit targets are over here. So let's see about this. I go with step one challenge, and let's see about how their challenges are. Okay, so this is Forex CFDs. Forex CFD is step one step challenge, and then it comes to we have 2K, 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 200K, 300K over here. Now trading platform, you have MT4, you have MT5, you have Trade Locker, you have C Trader, you have Dex Trade, you have Match Trader, and a monthly request payout. You have 95 monthly percent in a bi-weekly one, also demand, and then you also depend on add-on resets and what's what free and a whole lot of stuff. So, okay, so this is the price over here. Let me see. Let me move to this side for you to see the price over here. Okay, for this one is 200. Let me go to 2.2k. Okay, so 2k for 2k is the price over here. $7 over here. Okay, $7. The price is very affordable. When it comes to 5k, you're going to have it $24 over here, and then 2k. Let's go for two-step account. It's giving you $4.5 over here. When it comes to 5k, you're going to have 19.5 over here, okay, and then you're going to go back over here. This is the site where you are going to see a lot of programs over here, okay? A lot of program, and they have exclusive offer. Okay, this is for traders. So if you come over here and go to this side, there are programs and then there are challenges. Now when it comes to this side, you have this funding page, we have fundedness, we have the 5 users, you have the alpha capital, we have polar prime, we have uh, 8 market, we have code funded, we have bright funded, a lot of brokers are, a lot of firms are over here. So in as much as we have forex firm, we also have features firm, we also have crypto firms over here. So we are going to features firm for you to see how the features also. So it comes to this, the features firm, and we have the crypto firm. Okay, so I'm going to show you this opportunity with you, and I want you to watch this video to the very end. Now, when it comes, let's go back to the first platform. Okay, I understand crypto Discord. I understand this one. Crypto is a bit different from the others. For now, let me go back to my first profile. That's the reason why I'm doing most of these videos for you guys to understand. Now, I'm going to leave the link in the description to the description below. I'm going to leave the link to the site in the description below. So, whichever site you will see me entering over here, it means that the link will be found in the description below. Okay, so please and please again make sure you go and do watch it out right here. So now let me go to forest. When it comes to forest, we have bright funded, okay, as the best pro firm. They have the being awarded as best for pro firm over here. So you can see over there they trade crypto, you have trade forest, they trade indices, they trade metals and other commodities. I'm not here to do advertising, I'm not here to promote their page. This is educational purpose. I'm not here to ask you to go and trade with them, but this is for my sake of how you can get as easy amount of profit, a profit at a low price. That's the reason why I'm here. Okay, so let me go to the challenges. Let me show you what is going on over here. So okay, we are going to see a list of challenges over here. So when it comes to this site, this is you need to check this one. If it's not on, like you should turn it on. If it is off, if it's like this, I think you can turn it on for us to understand. Okay, and then if your this thing apply discount is off, make sure you turn it off for us now, because we are turning this things on for us to understand that we are going to have whatever I'm going to show you to make this video very simple for us for you to understand. Now when it comes to this site, this site is where you are going to get the account size, and then you are going to get the steps, and also you are going to get the discount code that you use to apply on the website to buy your profile. Now just like when it comes to Olapine, I am having sorry so just as when it comes to Olapine, I applied this coupon over here, and the coupon gave me, instead of let me show you, instead of me paying $14 for this and 2k account, I paid $7. I'm supposed to pay $7 for this account. Now let's go to the two-step funded. This is the two-step. Instead of me to pay $9 for this account, I'm going to pay $4.5 for this account. Now it's very pretty simple. So I'm going to show you how you can apply this code, and then how we will go about buying this. Okay, so now let's go here. This account, you come over here, this is the account size. Okay, the account size over here, you see there's account size over here, and we have the prices over here. So you come here, choose the account size and account type that you want. You can choose it. So this is where we are going to choose the account size. So we come here, the assets, we have the assets over here. So you can choose any asset that you want. Then you come over here, you type to choose the account size that you want. But for me, I'm going for 5k. Let's go for 5k. Okay, going for 5k, and 5k rate type, which type of account do I want when it comes to 5k? Do I need instant there? I need one step? Do I need two step there? I need three step or four step? So I prefer instant account, and also one step account. Okay, so let's see, and also two step account. But for now, let's see instant and 1 2 3 1 2 step is okay. So instant and multiple, it's okay. Now let's go about that. Now when it comes over here, let's see about your price. I think I'm negotiate. Let's see about the price. So pay out 15-day trading or 30 days. No, this is the loyalty. Now instead of $63, we are going to have $56 for the account. And instead of $58 for one account, you're going to have $52 for the account. Depends on the profile. Here the code depends on the profile. What you're going to see over here depends on the profile. Some profile will give you accurate like 30%, some will give you 40% discount, some will give you 20% discount, some will give you 2% discount. Depends on the profile over here. Okay, so let's see when you see funded traded plus total, we give us I think 50% discount over here, which was we were supposed to pay $249, but we got it at we are going to pay 149.40 for this trading account. It's very pretty simple. Marvin over here, Marvin is supposed to get this 5K account one step. We're supposed to pay $19. We are going to pay $17.10 over here. And just imagine, you can calculate it with yourself and then see that amount that you are going to. You can just go to the next and then see different lot of brokers available. When it comes to that. So you can apply the same code at this